Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshay, and in this series of videos, I will be explaining the concept of infrastructure as a code with AWS services using Terraform. So, as you can see on the screen, I'll be covering various topics such as AWS VPC, which is of a three-tier, EC2 instances, load balance, the concept of load balancers, and in-depth concepts of load balancers, and the request from DNS to DB implementations, auto scaling with respect to launch templates and launch configurations, network load balancers, CloudWatch, module Terraform modules, and then remote state storage. The way I'm going to do would look something like this. So first, I'll be presenting the architecture of the implementation. For example, over here, it is AWS VPC of three-tier. So I'll be explaining each and every component of the architecture, such as NAT gateway, public subnets, private subnets, and so on, and how those components are implemented using Terraform, something like this. And also in during the code implementations, during the Terraform implementations, I'll be explaining the various concepts such as Terraform blocks and the .tfvar files, provisioners, loops, and so on. So I'll be explaining various topics, and I'll be implementing all these services in the Terraform code, and this code will be available in my GitHub repository, and the link to my GitHub repository is in the description. Make sure you check it out. And also, before proceeding with the next set of videos, if you're not sure about the Terraform fundamentals, if you want to learn more about the Terraform fundamentals, if you want to get your basics right, I will be also attaching another video where that video is basically from Free Code Camp. That gives a solid basic foundation of Terraform, which all you need to know to proceed with this series of lectures. So if you're not sure about the Terraform fundamentals, make sure you check it out. Then also follow my GitHub code repository, where I'll be explaining all these Terraform service implementations using the Terraform modules. So let's get started.